Good morning students. In this video we will see when we perform some operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division between two irrational numbers or between one rational and other is irrational number, then what will be the result. So first of all suppose we have to perform operations between a rational and irrational number. Suppose first is your rational number, so write some identities or you can say some facts that if we add a rational number to irrational number, we get a result as irrational. Result is irrational, such as, look at some examples. Suppose we add 5 plus root 2. 5 plus root 2. Root 2 is irrational. Or suppose we can say that if we add 1.01, 001, 0001 and like this. So here we are seeing that only 10, then 20, then again 30, then 1. So it is a non-terminating, non-recurring number, means this is irrational. So if we add 5 plus 1.010010001 and like this, so we get the result is 6.01 like this. This is the result. So here look, this is non-terminating, this number is result is non-terminating, non-recurring number. And we know that if number is non-terminating, non-recurring, then it is irrational. So the number will be, the result will be irrational. Similarly, if we add 3 plus root 2, then this is rational, this is irrational. So result will be 3 plus root 2, value of root 2 if we find, then it is irrational. So result will be, here we get irrational. So addition between rational and irrational, the result will be irrational. Now second fact, subtraction between rational and irrational, either the first number is rational or second one is rational. So if we perform subtraction between rational and irrational, suppose rational minus irrational or irrational minus rational, in both condition result will be irrational. The example for this first is rational minus irrational. So suppose rational is 4 minus irrational is 2.3101001001. So if we subtract these value, here we get subtract 4.00000000 like this, upon 2.3101001001 like this, and up to infinity terms. So here we get some results. If we subtract these values, we get here some results. Then here when we come here, then subtract 10 minus 1, 9, then 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0 we get 9, then 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, here we get 9, 9 minus 1 8, then here we get 9, 9 minus 0, so 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 0 9, here we get 9 minus 1 8, then 9 minus 3 we get 6, then here we get 3 minus 2 1. So look at here, 9 8, then double 9 8, then here we get 4 9s up to infinity. This pattern, this is non-terminating, non-recurring number, so this is irrational. So the result is irrational. 1.6898998998. Similarly we get the pattern, so this is irrational. Now look at this example, irrational minus rational. So suppose 3.21 211 211 2 4 times 1, similarly minus 1. So this is irrational and this is rational. So here we get 2.21, 3 minus 1 we get 2, then point after decimal, here after decimal the number is 0, so we get this one 21 211 211 2 4 times 1, like this. So this number is irrational. This number is irrational. So if we subtract a number, a rational number minus rational, we get irrational, or we subtract a rational number from irrational, we get irrational. Third point is, or third fact is, rational into irrational. Rational into irrational, we get irrational. We get irrational, such as suppose rational is 3 into root 2. Irrational root 2 is irrational, so we get 3 root 2. This is irrational. Similarly, if the first number is irrational and the second number is rational, then also we get irrational, because 3 root 2 is irrational number. Now come to fourth fact, that if we divide a rational by irrational, then we get irrational, or we divide irrational by rational, then also we get irrational. These are the facts about operations between a rational and an irrational number, but we perform operations between two rational numbers, such as first one is rational and second one is also rational, then result is rational. Second, first one is rational minus second one is also rational, we get rational. Third fact, if we multiply rational into rational, we get rational. And the fourth one is, if we divide rational upon rational, the result is rational. These are the facts about operations between two rational numbers. Now we have seen operations between rational and irrational, and then between two rational numbers. Now we are coming to operations between two irrational numbers. Both numbers are irrational. So look at the example. or first we write the facts, very important facts. First number is irrational plus irrational, irrational plus irrational, both numbers are irrational, both numbers are irrational. So the result will be rational or irrational, rational or irrational. We are not sure that what will be the result if we perform operations between two irrational number. So look at the example. Suppose example, if we add root 3 plus root 3, so this is irrational, this is irrational, the result will be irrational, result will be irrational. So इस कंडीशन में ये भी irrational, ये भी irrational, result क्या होगा? irrational. ठीक है. और we can say that suppose another example 2.10, 100, 100, like this, this is irrational, this is irrational. इसमें ऐड करना है हमें, सपोज मैं यहाँ ऐड कर रहा हूँ 5.11, 0, 111, 0, 4 times 1, then 0, 5 times 1, like this. So if we perform addition between them, then we get 2.101, 1, 2, 3, 1, then add 5.110, 1, 2, 3, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we get 1, 2, 3, 4. So then 0, then again 1, 1, like this. So here we get 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.7. So the pattern is non-terminating, non-recurring. So the number is non-terminating, non-recurring. This is irrational. So result of these two irrational number will be irrational. Now come to one more example. Suppose we have a number root 2. This is irrational. We know this number is irrational. If we add this with 5 minus root 2, this is also irrational. This number is irrational. This root 2 is irrational. Plus 5 is rational, minus root 2 is rational. So rational minus irrational, rational minus irrational, the result of this bracket will be irrational. Result is irrational. Now if we solve this, then it becomes root 2 plus 5 minus root 2. So root 2 cancel out, we get 5. 5 is rational or irrational? 5 is rational. 5 is rational. So in these two examples, we have seen that the result, the addition of two irrational number may be irrational or may be rational. It depends on the numbers. So remember that sum of two irrational numbers may be rational or irrational. Similarly, the second fact, if we perform subtraction, between two irrational numbers, means irrational minus irrational, then the result may be rational or irrational. Result may be rational or irrational. रेशनल और इरेशनल, जो रिजल्ट है वो रेशनल भी हो सकता है और इरेशनल भी हो सकता है. इसका एग्जांपल अगर हम देखें, इफ यू परफॉर्म रूट 3 माइनस रूट 2, दिस इज इरेशनल, दिस इज इरेशनल. बट इफ वी परफॉर्म हियर अनदर एग्जांपल रूट 3, इसमें से हमें सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है 7 plus root 3. Sorry. Root 3 is irrational. Root 3 is irrational, and the value between this bracket is irrational. This value is irrational because 7 is rational plus root 3 is irrational. So rational plus irrational, we get irrational. So root 3 is irrational minus this bracket's value is irrational. So if we solve it, then we get root 3 minus 7, minus into plus, we get minus root 3. So cancel out, we get minus 7. This is irrational. This is irrational. So subtraction of two irrational numbers may be rational or irrational. Similarly, if we perform multiplication, look at the example. Fact, irrational into irrational, the result will be rational or irrational. It depends on the numbers. Suppose we have two numbers such as root 3 into root 5, we get root 15. Root 3 into root 5, we get root 15. This is irrational, and the result is also irrational. So here the multiplication of two rational number is irrational. But if we look another example, root 5 is irrational and we multiply it by root 5. Both numbers are irrational. Root 5 is irrational and the second number root 5 is also irrational number. So here we get square of root 5 and square cancel out the root, we get 5. So 5 is rational. So the result of irrational into irrational depends on the number. It may be rational or irrational. The next fact is irrational upon irrational. This is rational or irrational. So look at the example. If we see root 5 upon root 7, so we get root 5 upon 7. So this number is irrational. And if we perform root 5 upon root 5, both numbers are irrational. We get root 5 cancel out by root 1, we get 1. This is rational. So the operation between two irrational numbers depend on the type of the numbers. It may be rational or it may be irrational.